Don't get any on your shirt. Hey everybody, Adam here, and I'm super excited because today I'm going to share some really big news in my life. I was going to get a new electric car to replace my plug-in hybrid Honda Clarity, but for now, I'm putting that on hold, and instead we've decided to upgrade our lives to solar. That's right, we're going solar, and not only solar, but solar with a backup battery right here in West Virginia where there are no state incentives. But hey, we're still going to get it done, and the news today is so big, I have to share it with you. The 22% incentive I was going to get is going to go back to 26% for 2021, thanks to the new stimulus bill. You're getting $600 a person, plus some for the kids, and for me, an extra $1,000 in incentives because of the size of my project of solar. I'm super excited for this. This is such good news. And for you, it's good news too if you haven't decided to go solar, because you've got a little more time. 22% was going to be the incentive for adding solar to your house in 2021. It's gone back to a 26% amount, which is what it was last year. And they've extended that 26% until 2022. And then in 2023, you'll get a 22% incentive instead of none. After 2021, it was going to be none. So extra, and I'm super excited about it. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and share with you my video because I'm just now sharing with the world that we're going to go solar. So here that is right now. All right, so hey guys, I'm at the very beginning of this whole shindig. But we've gotten ourselves a solar panel array and some Powerwall action and 14 panels. They're saying it's going to do 46% of our electric bill based on their analysis. The name of the company is Solar Holler, and this is not a I'm considering. I've done it. I got the loan and all that, and I want to talk to you about that because it's fresh in my mind. I just did the very final process on the loan, and almost 30 emails back and forth between the solar company regarding getting this financing, and it's done. I've secured the financing for the solar array, and just some of the highlights. My cost is going to be $28,941. My payment's going to be about $125 a month. Which is more than my electric bill has ever been. So we'll not be covering that with net metering, which is the way they do it in West Virginia. I didn't know that. That is the way they do it, is net metering. So cool to that. I did order the Powerwall with it. Some of the things that's weird, I get an increase in my interest rate if I write them a check. So if I don't do an automatic payment, I'm going to get an increased interest rate. Also, my payment goes from $125 a month to $165 a month if I don't give them like $6,000 within the first 18 months. So they want me to take the entirety of my solar credit, like the whole thing, and give it back to them, or they're going to charge me more money. I'm not a super fan of that, but if I wouldn't have put the solar in, I wouldn't have gotten the discount in the first place. I'm doing this probably the worst possible time. I'm doing it at the end of December, which means it's not going to get installed on this current year, 2020. It's going to get installed in 21, which means I'll have to wait 12 more months, maybe more, before I can get the credit money. Now, that would give me the time to where I can reduce the payments a little bit, and maybe a little bit of that credit I get to keep for myself. Also, the credit, you don't get it if you don't just get it for free if you got the solar. If you don't have that much money federally withheld on your paycheck, you can't claim any of it. So keep that in mind. It's not free money from the government. You have to have already had that amount withheld. We chose not to put them on the roof because if you have to do maintenance on your roof, you have to pay to have them taken down and put back. And I don't want to do that. I want to be able, if there's snow on them, I want to be able to go outside and wipe them off. So that's the way we did it. We set it up that way. It's going to be on the ground. And also probably the reason why they can't guarantee I'll get all my electricity. So step one complete. We'll check in hopefully soon. So that's really it, guys. We're going solar. We're doing it in West Virginia, even with no state incentives, and I am super excited about it. I want to continue to share with you all the updates. Definitely subscribe to the channel. There'll be plenty more opportunities to find out how it's going, the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm going to share it all with you, I promise. And check out the other stuff we got going on as well. I do some great videos on my Honda Clarity. You want to make sure you check those out. They're all over the channel. And check out E is for EV, where we're doing a 1974 Volkswagen bus build on top of some really great EV reviews right now. We've got the Tesla Model Y up, and people seem to really be getting some good information out of that. Check those out. They'll all be in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to share with you how this solar project goes. I was going to get a new Tesla for 2021, but my first Tesla instead is going to be a Powerwall, which I am super excited about. Can't wait to share it with you. Subscribe to the channel. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace. If you have any questions about solar, make sure you leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer anything as I go, and I'd love to address any concerns you might have in future videos. Let's all go solar together. Hit subscribe. See you in the next one.